Hi, I'm Katie Russell. I'm a marketing strategist here at Fronetics, and today I want to talk to you about user-generated content. Also known as UGC, user-generated content is one of the hottest topics in digital marketing right now, but there are many businesses that don't know how to use this tool to their advantage. Let's start with the basics. What is UGC? This is content created by users of a specific brand or on a specific platform. It's highly effective and comes at little or no cost to your business. With that being said, a lot can qualify as UGC, including comments on your blog, testimonials on your website, social media posts, blog articles, videos, Instagram stories. The list really goes on and on. What it comes down to is that UGC is really any form of content that comes from a customer or a user. So what are the benefits of UGC? One of the biggest benefits of UGC is authenticity. We know that consumers are more likely to trust content generated by their peers, which means higher conversion rates at a lower cost to your brand. This also means that content is authentic and genuine reviews from buyers. Does it get any better than that? Another benefit of UGC is that it is extremely inexpensive. Since your brand is not generating the content, you don't have to invest the time and resources to create it. So what's hot in UGC right now? Visual content. Visual content is by far the most popular among audiences. So visual UGC is a no-brainer. Images and videos of real people using your products or talking about your services creates trust and loyalty for your brand. Another trend is snackable content. We all know that the attention span for content is extremely short these days. So when you're reposting UGC, focus on short, funny, and positive content. Content that leaves your users feeling informed and entertained will perform best for your brand. Another topic that's hot right now in UGC is influencer marketing. Whether it's a famous celebrity or a micro-influencer that's respected within your industry, brands involving influential people in their marketing campaigns can expect higher ROI from UGC. And don't forget the follow-up. Once you've grabbed the attention of your community with a successful user-generated content campaign, it's up to you to capitalize on the momentum. Don't be afraid to engage with audiences over social media, respond to comments, and answer questions. Do you need help getting started with a user-generated content campaign? Visit us at Fronetics.com.